Hey guys, so today I'm gonna make myself sneeze 10 times. It's a challenge I'm doing for my friend. So this might take a while when I'm doing it because I'm really clumsy about learning how to do things. So yeah, just drop freaking tissue, see? Ripped it. Gotta do it different. Y'all better not be criticizing me just because I do it. Yeah, got a good sneeze. Hey, my sneeze cracked. Cool, I didn't know I could do that. It bended, and it's got snot on it, which makes it jelly. That was only one. 10. It's been 2 minutes already. Okay. I have allergies, so didn't have to do much to this video. Now you might get a buttload of snot. I'm gonna do a challenge without anybody asking me where I make myself blow a lot of snot and a tissue and then show you. I'm gonna throw up. Went away. uh, uh, uh. Sorry, I'm gonna go have to get another tissue. Sorry about the hold up. Be right back. No, don't mess up my video. Oh my god. Yeah, sometimes when I sneeze it sounds like a cough. So just don't pay attention to that. Yeah. Oh, wait. Oh, ooh. I've done like. Did you see that booger? Okay, how am I gonna? Okay. Eh. Did that count for 2? I've done like 7 now. Ew. Okay, different tissue. You know, I think I already did that challenge I said I was gonna do. You laugh because you're an idiot, because everyone does it. Mate. Ooh, no, it's not that time. You know, sometimes I like hold it in when I sneeze, so it's like really. Who's phone? Sorry. Updates. They're already updated. Okay. My 10th one. Ah. Okay. So last night I was trying to do this, like practicing, so I got the hang of it. Yeah. Oh, my fart. I wish that when I recorded a video, I could smell what's happening too. Come on. I farted again. Oh my gosh. That was slow motion. Uh, okay, does this look retarded? Because it's going slow motion when I'm recording it. But, yeah. Not anymore. But it's being slow. Okay. It's still being slow. So, bye bye.